I was doing a video yesterday and had problems with my, I think it was the screen recorder, there were loading issues. So I couldn't finish off showing what was on this. But basically you can build like a one-page landing page. You can build more than that, you can build more pages, but it's kind of aimed at like a sort of one-pagers. You add the div block, insert a page component, and from the list you add the sort of div blocks. So I've just added, my last thing was a team, contacts, press, that'd be like articles, videos, I've added them, linked lists, and you add as you go down the page. Quite simple. You would start at the start with the hero header. That would be the start, as I've done here. That was a hero header, image under an overlay, some buttons, and as you go down you edit. So you just click on the edit component, that would be this div block. So if I click on here, quite easily change the title text, subtitle text, call to action buttons, I can change them or get rid of them, and click on the arrow to click away. This is an image gallery, I've done that yesterday. A bit of text there, like a div block. Nothing's loaded here. It was something. Added a form today. So again, if I hover, loading prompts again. Right, that was what was missing. Another div block. That's like a card. I can edit it there. Image. I think that's a blog post. That's what it is. A blog post. And here I did form. I can edit. Always on the right side. Edit component. Click on edit component. It's taking its time. I think it's because the screen recorder is on. That's why I built it up first. So, change the text. I put in want more info, subtitle text underneath it, and then there's a call to action form. So mine's set up as enter your email, enter the email. And click away. Again, taking its time there. Right, I'm scrolling down, and I put some videos on. Again, you hover on the right side of the div block, and you can edit the component. Title text, subtitle text, I haven't actually put any in. And you just enter the YouTube video URLs. That's the page. So there's one, that would be one. It's basically the page. It's not the HTML. It's the page of it. I put 3 in there. Click away. And as of yesterday, I put in an image gallery here. You can also add in a team. A blank screen now because it's loading. Edit component, and you can easily change the text and the images. The cards already made up. Pretty nice actually. Pretty nice indeed. So hover over here, get rid of it, and then you'd upload your own. Put in what text you want. Alt text if you wanted. Oh, and you got some links in as well. They're the links under in the card. So you can put the links in. Click away. Pretty nice. And down here, footer. So edit footer. And so what can I do here? Content. Some links. So maybe I can put more text in there. All right, reserved. Damien Fallon, maybe. See what happens there. And it's stuck in. Yeah, that changed. I mean, and I could put in my Twitter link if I wanted. Style, probably change the colour as I thought. Yeah, let's change that to a blue. Yep, and layout, maybe change the. Yeah, so you can either have this small one. We can have a bigger one if you want loads of links in. It's not bad at all, you know. Collapse this window. So those are all the things I've added. Quite simply, you just add as you're going down. Insert page component, or in between, no doubt. Insert page component. Insert it by selecting. All the div blocks you want. Pretty good. I'm going to click on that. And this happened yesterday. Really taking his time. So that'd be a whopping. That would probably be good for a hero image. So probably on the right side, there it is again, edit component. That would have been good as a hero header. So meet the perfect, put in what text you want. Fallon. Digital. Okay. Just getting rid of the subtitle text. And image. So, upload an image. Don't click there, as I thought before. I was clicking on that. You hover, then delete. Click delete. And choose a file. Choose a local file, because on my computer. That's going to take its time probably. It's a little bit slower. We've got the screen recorder on. Have I done it? Isn't responding. Ugh. Oh dear. Well, that's that. That's that, I'm afraid. Let's see if I can bring that up again. Pretty certain it's because of this screen recorder I'm using. Okay, I'm going to quickly see if this will work. And I've signed in again. I'm just interested in that image. I think it's saved mine. Okay, that's a feature. That's an gallery. And there was a blog post under there. Oh dear. Struggling to load yet again. Don't think it's the builder. I'm going to try it one more time. Insert a page component. Photo. So I wanted to add that. Just click on there. That would actually probably be better at the top, but I'm just showing how you put it in. Upload an image, delete, and choose a local file. Try that image, don't know what it is. Huh, amazing. Right, save changes. Done. Bam. And that's how you build it up. You'll add the components as you go along. Don't know what happened there, some error there. So, lovely website builder. Add the